dodge a curve. Yeah, I was on the block going dirt. I just talked to God, I can surf. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt. Yeah, I was on the block going dirt. Yeah, I just talked to God, I can surf. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt.
Made it to the gates from the dirt, yeah. Boy, I've been a king since my birth. Young, ain't trying to chuck the God from the earth. You can never talk down on me, boy, I know my worth. I gotta eat, I gotta pay out the team. I'm not a star, it's only sweat in the gleam. I see the queen, I'm trying to make her redeem. We let the people and pray for the people that work in between. Hey, I came from the dark, I'm like bang, bang, bang. I came from the bottom with the same ting. Look, when I die, I leave with a bang, bang, bang. Death is a game, now with the game, get it right. Holy Snikes, I just swing, I'm like Spidey. Yeah, rap my town, I'm like Spidey. I just do it, I'm like Nike.
Hey, no hands, I know God, dodge a curve. Yeah, I was on the block going dirt. I just talked to God, I can surf. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt. Yeah, I was on the block going dirt. Yeah, I just talked to God, I can surf. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt.
I was born for something greater than a struggle. Yeah, got more Dean the genius, I learned from my uncle. I got faith, you can't pop my bubble. I got God, I got grace, you can't stop my hustle. Look, when you came here, what was you made for? I got a couple of sins on my list, got rest on my halo. What you believe in? What do you pray for? I got a vision to see in my homies go snapping like Thanos. Who you with? Where you from? Boy, I doesn't no excuse. Get it done. What's the budget on my dogs? We gon' shine. Hit the summit, get the slaves. Set them free. I'm like Mr. Tubman. I'm just trying to cross the finish line. When I die, I wake up to different times. I'ma see some bigger lights. I love me a bigger squad. Nothing tugging, no convincing me to pick a side. I ain't switching sides. Live my life just like he paid the price and now go. Where these peaceful water flows is where I find my joy. I know I'm in the dark, but I'm glad it's night. Look, we got it out of the mud, and I do it all for the love. No, that's right. Yeah.
Hey, no hands, I know God, dodge a curve. Yeah, I was on the block going dirt. I just talked to God, I can surf. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt. Yeah, I was on the block going dirt. Yeah, I just talked to God, I can surf. Yeah, made it to the gates from the dirt.
Dean, they gon' hit me up, I ain't tryna talk. I've been solo dolo in my room, locked inside the dark. Lately, the only time I feel the peace is when I talk to God. I done been so hurt so many times, it's hard to let my guard down. Some of my friendships dead, some of my family dead. I don't make time to rest. Lately, I've been too stressed. Lately, I shut myself out so I don't get hurt again. Ay, solo dolo, Dean, I'm done with demons taking in. Ay, Kelvin told me, Dean, you got influence. I told Kelvin, I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I've been praying late night, asking God to speak the truth, but I've been getting in the scope of Satan. He been loading up and shooting. I don't got time to waste. No, I could die today. I just got off of a convo on FaceTime to talk with a white chick like Mona Wings. Might flip a sin on the day to day. Might disappear like I'm David Blaine. Dang, lately I'm giving up on everything that I used to believe in. I'm losing faith. Once I change, then I'll probably change again. I've been seeking answers, all me trying to slay my sins. That's the only way I'll ever keep from caving in. Dog, I play to win. Watch what I'm engaging in. Yeah, ain't been talking, I've been learning. I've been dodging every serpent. Hallelujah, I ain't perfect. Hallelujah, I've been learning. Eastside with me, that's my city. Bobby Angel, I got Richie, Uncle Lenny, Auntie Whitney. I got angels fighting with me. Only brodies really know me. I've been fighting to be holy. Ain't no comfort, can't be cozy. I'm on that like Zach and Cody. I got angels fighting for me. I got demons fighting for me. I got shorties praying for me. I know I'm as big a trophy. Out to get it, we ain't short of shine. They some birds talking, dog, they look like Mordecai. And I'm coming back to finish, I'm like 45. Got my eyes on Zion, dog, I got immortalized. And I just roll the dice, ayy. Close my eyes, ayy. Get my sight, ayy. Get off my device. I just roll the dice, then I close my eyes, then I get my sight when I get off my device. Me and my family just came out the gutter, but we got no choice to be winning. Dang, you gotta admit it, I'm very committed. Whoa, I said you gotta admit it, I'm very committed. Dang, you gotta admit it, I'm very committed. Whoa, I said you gotta admit it, I'm very committed.